RobinReach is built to save time, publish more, and manage every social channel from one dashboard. The AI connection starts right here on the homepage. Instead of opening each platform manually, a user can ask an AI assistant to plan ideas, write captions, create visuals, and schedule content. RobinReach then shows the connection options. One secure endpoint can work with Claude, ChatGPT, Codex, or the OpenAI API, so users can choose their preferred assistant. For this walkthrough, Codex is selected. The page shows the install step, the MCP configuration, and the exact remote URL Codex will use. Next, the workflow moves into the RobinReach dashboard. Open the brand settings, then choose Connect Your AI to begin the setup. The modal creates a private MCP URL for the account. This URL is the bridge that lets Codex read the workspace and send actions back to RobinReach. Now switch to Codex settings. Open MCP servers, add a custom server, and start filling in the connection details exactly as RobinReach shows them on screen. Name the server RobinReach, paste the launch command, then add the remote MCP URL as the argument. This tells Codex where RobinReach requests should go, so the tool call reaches the correct account each time. Save the server and enable it in the MCP list. At this point, the connection is saved, but Codex still needs to restart before the new tool loads correctly for the next session. Restart Codex after saving the connection. This restart step is important. When Codex opens again, the RobinReach MCP tool is loaded into the fresh chat environment and ready to use. Start a new chat and send a simple first message asking Codex to talk to RobinReach. This checks that the connection is working before moving on. Codex asks for permission to use the RobinReach server. Approve the request, and the assistant begins reading the live social media workspace, confirming access for this session. RobinReach responds with the current workspace status: recent activity, empty calendar windows, connected profiles, failed posts, analytics, and what is available for the next campaign. The user can see what is empty, what is connected, and what the assistant can safely manage next. Now give Codex a real task. Ask it to create and schedule 10 World Cup posts starting June 11th, 2026, all from inside the chat. Codex treats the date as the campaign start and keeps the request scoped to scheduling. Codex turns that message into a campaign plan. It checks the dates, reviews the connected channels, prepares the content structure, and starts building the posts before anything is published. It is preparing a campaign that can actually be placed on the calendar. RobinReach keeps working in the background, drafting captions, preparing football-themed visuals, checking platform limits, validating media, and making sure every post can be scheduled safely. This is where the request becomes usable, platform-ready content. The setup screen appears again to show the connection behind the scenes. The MCP bridge keeps Codex linked to RobinReach while the request is being processed. Codex keeps the user updated while RobinReach completes the batch. The campaign is assembled, checked, matched to the right social profiles, and sent to the calendar without switching tools. The user does not need to copy captions, upload images, or manually choose times. The result is complete: 10 scheduled posts, platform-tailored captions, attached football visuals, selected channels, and posting times spread across the campaign dates. This confirms that the automation finished successfully. Back in RobinReach, the calendar now shows the scheduled content placed across the correct days, proving the chat request became real scheduled posts. Open a post to review the caption, channel, publish time, status, and creative. The campaign is ready.